we do in response to the situations that we see, in response to sensing the reality of the context of the situation that we're in. Managing uncertain projects, managing in uncertainty, like the models that we've discussed, requires a balance of structure and flexibility. And the structure often comes from, again, organizing principles, the roles that we play, the responsibilities that we have, the accountabilities and the authorities that we encounter, but then the flexibility to engage creatively within those roles in order to be able to actually tackle and challenge the problem at hand that we have been charged with dealing with. A big challenge, and it is a challenge, especially for anybody with a type A personality, we need to embrace failure. We need to be able to not just recognize failure might occur, but appreciate and accept and encourage failure as a way of learning and being able to figure out and moving forward. If we play it safe, if we don't fail, we don't learn. And we aren't going to be able to test and evaluate in an unordered environment where cause and effect has basically gone by the wayside. Sending out probes and feelers is about conducting experiments, some of which will work and some of which won't. And the ones that work are possibly actually less useful than the ones that don't, about then learning what's our next path forward. So it's only by failing that we can actually make progress. Boundaries are useful. And they're useful in a number of ways. They actually frame possibilities. They direct expectations of what we want to do without being prescriptive or engaging in micromanagement, but they're also a source of creativity. Creativity is a boundary phenomenon. It happens at the edges. When people run into walls, that's where they start to find creative solutions to be able to break through those walls. And in all of